hold him, huh? Hold him, otherwise he'll run.
No.
Why?
No. No. Quiet.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
The sun about to set over there. And we see kangaroo before somewhere there. And you can see here there is kangaroo pool. Mickey จิงโจ้ มีจิงโจ้นะคะแถวนี้ and Milo is enjoying there and Markman is enjoying here.
Hello. Beer cock.
Beer cook. Here is the kangaroo down there. There.
Another one in the back, okay? There's another one over there, okay?
Can't see, the sun is going to my eye.
I think they come out. Oh, that's right. They come out when it's done right. When it's done depth for some reason. They come out and go crazy.
And Milo.
Meals.
What are you looking for? Scottish dog. Hot dog.
The kangaroo just look at us like concentrate
I know,
before.
freaking me out.
I'm trying to top up the bar.
And that one, hang on, don't walk past. That one is eating the grass and looking.
Meals is struggling.
Over there, the distance. And Milo is struggling here.
I don't know what he's trying to do.
Okay. Just because he peeking out to that
No!
door.
No! Stop whinging.
He's coming back soon. He's cooking your dinner. Okay, Daddy's coming back. Daddy's over there. Daddy's coming back. He's waiting. Look at his tail. ดูหางกระดิกกระดิกรอเด็ดดี Yep. Now he
You
start.
enjoying your special cooked meat
Now he start eating the food because you were here. Before he was waiting for you.
Get up, come buddy. Get up.
Okay.
Get up, buddy. Come buddy, he's smelling the steak.
You literally have nothing to bark at. You're just.
And because we bring this and Milo toilet, he did a wee there.
Good boy, you did a wee wee.
I already gave him the cool.
Boy, seriously.
All set. Someone will sleep here. And make yourself at home. Good job, Mia. And that's just the spare one.
We have extra towels if we need them.
Yeah? Do we need it?
I don't know. You guys were talking about it earlier. So.
Okay.
This game really good now. He pulled the captain.
Okay. He did well. And our dinner?
Big yawn. He Oh, we're talking ready for the unpack them. Get ready for bed. Get ready for bed, buddy.
Do you want me to make you a little bit?
Just when you're ready.
Who is boy? Can you put salt in? We have salad here and steak.